रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। नमस्कार, मैं साधना सरगम। आज तक मैं आप लोगों तक मेरे गानों के ज़रिए पहुंची हूं, लेकिन अभी एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट होने जा रहा है। हमारे बापू राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी की 150th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है और उसमें मुझे भी शामिल किया गया है। मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशनसीब समझती हूँ।
नमस्कार, मैं सुदेश भोसले। आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज हमारे पूज्य बापू यानी महात्मा गांधी जी, जो हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं, उनकी कंक्लूडिंग 150th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी की ये जो शाम है, उसमें मुझे शरीक होने का मौका मिला।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
Hi, my name is Siddhant Bhosle. I'm a singer and songwriter from Mumbai, India, and I'm feeling extremely honored to be a part of this massive event that is the celebration of our Bapu, our beloved Bapu, Shri Mahatma Gandhi ji's 150th birth anniversary.
As like today we have a book on Mahatma edited by him, Mr. Satyam Rai Chaudhary.
Namaste.
Which is Mahatma for You, and some are not that lucky. So we at Author Club Worldwide, we are gathering our strength from brick to brick to bring in many of these authors.
Satyam sir, how did you get inspired to write this wonderful book? You've written so many books, but I can see one on Kalam as well. Could you let us know and all our viewers know what exactly inspired you to write something on Mahatma, because it must have been a really Herculean task for you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Nidhi. The good evening and good morning, good afternoon, because of this program is all over the world, and our participants in different countries all over the world. In this pandemic situation, I like to convey my sincere thanks first to Dr. Roy, our president of this Authors Club Worldwide. And I convey my sincere thanks to all the members of the Authors Club Worldwide. And my deep respect to all the famous personalities all over the world. They are participants in this program. Really, this is a great honor for me. This is a great honor, and I'm really delighted on this occasion in this platform. And actually, I am an educator, and my group is Techno India Group. It is one of the largest education group in India right now, with hundreds of campuses from KG level to PhD level. And actually, the education for all, this motto, actually, I am with this thing last 35 years. And actually, my passion is to write books. And I have a For You series. This is the Mahatma For You is the last one. and my tribute to Mahatma Ji for this occasion, actually 150th birth anniversary. This is my tribute to a great leader of India. And actually, this Foru series book, actually in the year 2010, it first came with our Gurudeva Rabindranath Tagore, and it was published in London in his Hampstead House. I published this book in London, and then Netaji for you, Vivekananda for you, Ramakrishna for you, the Sister Nivedita for you, and this is the last one, the Mahatma for you. And actually, this is the Mahatma Ji is my great leader. I think he is not the leader of India. He is the leader of the world.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
We have with us a very, very famous actor, director, writer in both Marathi and Hindi film industry. Anant Mahadevan, also credited as Anant Narayan Mahadevan, is a screenwriter, actor and director par excellence. I welcome you today and request you to share your views on Mahatma Gandhi. So thank you so much, Bahut Swagat, actor.
On his 150th birth anniversary, what lives on and is relevant to today's times is his humane, loving, compassionate face. And that is what we should look at on this occasion. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi influenced not just the Indian subcontinent, but even the other side of the globe. During the civil rights movement in the US, many prominent leaders like Martin Luther King, James Lawson and John Lewis all started studying Mahatma Gandhi's works very closely. And they were not only believers, but practitioners of Gandhi's teachings on love and forgiveness.
Thank you so much, Anand sir, for that wonderful, wonderful, iconic speech that you gave. I simply loved every word of it. I'd like to introduce Massimo Ruggero, Dr. Massimo Ruggero, President of the UNESCO, Genova, Italy. Thank you for joining us, sir. You are dynamic, motivated, and you have led social entrepreneurship and extensive experience in domestic and international settings. But before we come on to you, Raina Lompo, my question to you is, how do you look at compassion and Mahatma Gandhi? Come on and answer that. What are your views on Mahatma?
Hello. everyone from Greece.
Namaste. Namaste.
Congratulations for the organization of this very meaningful, resourceful, and enriching event. I warmly thank Dr. Deepankar Roy for his kind invitation, be invited speaker. I wanted to say that within the framework of the COVID pandemic, which threatens peace-building gains, our commitment to sustaining peace is now more urgent than ever. So I believe that this event organized today by Authors Club shows his contribution to world peace and its of utmost importance. Authors Club is a brand new initiative that brings people close together, gives us previews of human experiences, allows us to connect on basic levels of desires and emotion. And literature in general is crucial for the betterment of society, shapes civilizations, and changes political systems.
Here I'd like Guy to come in. Guy Chopin, I want you here for 5 minutes to answer this question, because I think it's very important for our viewers to realize today that we gave you Mohan Karamchand Gandhi, you gave us the Mahatma. So how do you like that, and what would you like to speak about apartheid in South Africa? And
thank you so much for that.
To talk about the Mahatma South Africa gave us. Yes.
Thank you so much for that opportunity, and for the amazing program you put together with people reaching out from around the world. Yes, when Nelson Mandela was the first to say that, when he said that, actually resonated a lot, because we in a world that's in shambles right now, where we are looking for people that are going for leadership, for sign of people that take humanity at the heart of something. We are kind of somehow looking for a messiah, and there's no messiah. For those who have studied Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. King, all these people, all we need to realize that it is a very simple principle. We are born all the same with different skills, but the thing that motivates all these great leaders, their passion to serve other human beings. When you have that passion and then you look around, you see what is unjust, you try to fix it. And the way to fix it is the main difference. When he left, I still remember, I talked to people about the time where Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma we know, was actually dressed a little bit like you, like me and some few others, proud to be subject, to be using suit and all these things. But as the time processed, he realized that there was something bigger than that, right? He was a lawyer in all these things. He was in London, But when he went to South Africa, he realized that the soul of the world was in danger. Something needed to be done. When he got kicked out, and we all see this movie, out of that train where he paid the dues, why should I be treated as second person? And that's where the seed of resistance actually galvanized, and he became the Mahatma we know today. So when we say that, we are just actually sending the message to all these people around the world today that, yes, as a proud African, yes, I might be an American citizen, but I was born in Africa, and I know exactly what it's needed to get us to start thinking about humanity as a whole. Today, in the world in shambles, when people are trying to deny science, and to pay the price, right? When the environment is in danger, we see what's happening with the fires left and right in the United States, in the Amazonia, in Australia, all these things. We need to respect human beings. We need to respect Mother Nature. And I think that Muhammad was the first social justice activist. He has never been called like that, but I think that that's the message he sent us. And Dr. King and many other followers came to realize that social justice activism is what we need to make the world a better place. And Mahatma Gandhi was actually, for me, the first person. And for your information, when I went to Dehradun a number of years ago, about 10 years ago, I took a dip in the Ganga. And that was for me something I did when I was still a little boy, when I saw the Mahatma Gandhi being burned and then thrown in the Ganga. I said to myself, one day I want to go there and take a dip in the Ganga to connect with that soul, with the greatest soul. And that's something that I cherish with me every single day. Thank you for the opportunity.
Oh, well, wonderful. It was so wonderful hearing you. And you are most welcome to come. I'll personally take you to Haridwar and to take you for a dip in the holy Ganges river. Thank you so much for joining us today in very, very inspiring words. On this special day on Gandhi Jayanti today, we would like you to remember Mahatma, and we'd like to hear it from you. How does Mahatma inspire you, sir?
Okay, thank you very much for inviting me to make my comments on this auspicious occasion. I really want to extend my commendations to Dr. Roy and his team. I also want to extend commendations to you, Chair, for handling this initiative in a most excellent and warm manner. I want to commend all the other colleagues who have been awarded, and I'm pleased to be among this distinguished group of recipients and distinguished group of authors and writers and publishers and artists. I listened to the song earlier this morning, well received, and I really appreciate it. The work of Marcus Garvey is not also part of this discussion. Mahatma Gandhi is not lost upon us here in Jamaica. Indeed, we recognize and we value the contribution of Mahatma and still value the same. It is interesting to note that among those persons whose initials have eminent, we also can identify Martin, that's Martin Luther King, Mandela, and of course there is Mahatma. All three in their own continents struggled for the same, struggled for the freedom of and peace-loving nation around the world. I'm just going to bring to you some comments that would have been made by our own another M, Marcus Garvey, the first national leader of Jamaica, when he states, "We are well," and I'm quoting, "we are well acquainted with the work of Gandhi. He organized a movement that has swept the entire country of India. The British people are now feeling the pressure of Gandhi's propaganda. It is customary for them to suppress the cause of liberty." Garvey explained the sacrifice that leadership required. Therefore, Gandhi's arrest is nothing unexpected to those of us who understand what leadership means. Leadership means sacrifice. Leadership means martyrdom. Garvey then gave his followers news of the defiant stance of the West India Regiment in response to the British call to join them in fighting. And I'm pleased as a bit of news that come to me that just within the last 12 hours, the work of Mahatma Gandhi continues to be well recognized around the world. And so Garvey recognized and contributed and supported the work of Mahatma, particularly when he was arrested for advocating the cause of 380 million Indians, the cause of freedom of his country. Marcus Garvey stated he has been arrested by an alien government that seeks to disrupt and to destroy the freedom of 380 million of people. So it is against this background that the work of Marcus Garvey, the work of Mahatma Gandhi has impacted the life of many of us. And today it is very significant that being a part of UNESCO for peace, UNESCO who use peace in education, science, culture, communication, information, to let there be a world of peace. And therefore it is against this background that I want to applaud this initiative. I want to commend the organizers for us. Let us continue to build peace, peace in the minds of men and women, the peace Mahatma fought for, the peace others are still fighting for, against the foundation that would have been laid by this great, great recognized leader. Thank you, colleagues.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखी उपकार करे तो ए मन अभिमान ना आने रे। वैष्णव
Chikara joins us. Sir, we welcome you today from the Authors Club Worldwide. May I request you to please present your address. Namaste.
I believe Dr. Arun Gandhi is here, and Dipankar Roy is here in any case. I've been listening to several of the speakers this evening quietly. That's why I was on mute. And I can say this for certain that their words have been very, very motivating and very inspirational. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today for the anniversary, for the closing ceremony of the 150th anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known worldwide as Mahatma Gandhi. The Mahatma who India knows as Bapu, the father of the nation. He is the acknowledged symbol of peace and non-violence worldwide. Mahatma Gandhi is universally recognized as a great icon of not just India, but indeed of the world.
Dr. N. Radhakrishnan, welcome this evening in India, and there are many parts of the world where it is early morning and they all are watching you. And before you start, I will request you if you could launch the book that has been written for the world to read on Mahatma by my dear friend Satyam Roy Chaudhary. And the book is right over here. And so I want Dr. Professor Radhakrishnan on screen. Can Dr. Professor Radhakrishnan come on screen, sir? Yeah, can we take him on screen? And where? Yes, there he is. And sir, for you, namaste.
Namaste, greetings.
And this
everybody.
This book is for you, sir. And because Dr. Arun Gandhi, the living grandson of Mahatma Ji, is not here right now, so I will not take much time. I'll ask Satyam Ji to open it, and you declare it open for the world. This is the book that the Authors Club Worldwide is releasing for the world to see. It's Mahatma for you, and we are honored that it is you who is unveiling this book. And I will request before you start if Mr. Satyam Roy Chaudhary will put a message on this book and offer it to the world of Authors Club Worldwide to read this book.
Thank you, Dr. Roy. And this is my great honor to be here with this great platform. And I'm happy that Dr. Radhakrishnan just virtually releasing this book. This is the great honor for me. And this book is for the whole world, for Gandhiji's message. And it is the peace we need very much this time. And it is my message that in this pandemic situation, the need of peace, and this book is for peace for the world. Thank you.
Let me greet all of you and wish you very happy times on the occasion of the 151st birthday observances of Mahatma Gandhi. He meant action, pure action, and action that will motivate us, action that will inspire us, action that will empower us. So the effort of this organization to which Dr. Roy has dedicated, I understand, his life and considerable time, has done remarkable contribution to the corpus of awareness of Gandhi. And this wonderful book, the book that has been released today, though I am yet to see what exactly, Gandhi for Everybody is a very fascinating title.
The Gandhi Peace Award 2020 from the Authors Club Worldwide, and we will like that the first one of we'll request Professor Radhakrishnan to come to the screen once more. Satyam Roy Chaudhary to receive it, and it is you actually virtually handing it over to him, and we will look forward that as like Gandhiji has inspired us and him and trillions others of this world to move ahead in this life, he will continue to propagate the philosophy.
Great.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Great.
It's a great honor for me. Thank you, sir.
This is the award for you, Everton, and this will be reaching you soon, leaving Indian soil tomorrow through FedEx for Jamaica. We'd like to hand over Usain Bolt's award to Everton only virtually today, and this one goes to Tracy. Tracy is a tremendous young character from Italy, a place called Bari. She has been a wonderful character of bringing people together on talking about peace, humanity, and equality and culture. And she has shown that what art and culture can do together. Retired Brigadier R.S. Chikara. Sir, are you there?
Yes, sir, and thank you so much. I am so grateful and I am so proud.
And this will be, in fact, this will be handed over to you from the office of Satyam Roy Chaudhary's office. And now comes Guy Jokane, the man who is in disguise of Mahatma Gandhi. He wears a mask, the mask which is of the humanity, peace, and modesty on him. Today, he being an American, he being inspired by Martin Luther King, but it is Mahatma Gandhi whose peace teaching, he has taken it as a motto for his life.
Thank you.
We have Anant Mahadevan. Is Anant around?
Yes, he's there.
Anant, this peace award actually goes to you, not because of just you as a star, but you have shown how humble a star can be. Professor N. Radhakrishnan. Professor Radhakrishnan, sir, are you here?
Yes, I am very much here.
And this one goes to you, sir. We are honored. We are honored that a part of our great Bapu is leaving from here to be honored on the desk of you. And I'm actually on tears that I never thought that I could be able to reach one of this, to reach on the table of you. There will be another which will be going to Dr. Gandhi's table in New York, and one to his other great-grandson Tushar Gandhi, who couldn't reach tonight because of his preoccupied commitments. But we are honored, sir, and we conclude this 150th birth anniversary year celebration to a great end.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
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 ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
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 रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
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 सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू 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 सीताराम।
जानकी वल्लभ जय सिया राम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
जानकी वल्लभ जय सिया राम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
जानकी वल्लभ जय सिया राम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
जानकी वल्लभ जय सिया राम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।